In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it and hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Now tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Then you need to tap on those three dots at the top right corner and hit Edit Tiles in the pop-up. Now click on this green plus on the right side of Caffeine shortcut. And when it was successfully added to your current ones, you can hold it and drag it to the best place for you. When you're done, use this arrow at the top left corner of your tab menu and click on your new shortcut. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To turn it off, click on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!